How to use ClearStreet app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. ClearStreet is a next-generation prime brokerage platform designed for modern traders and investors. But most beginners use it like a basic brokerage, and that's a big mistake. Here's how to get it right. The first mistake is not exploring the analytics dashboard. ClearStreet provides real-time performance and risk metrics. If you only use it to execute trades, you're missing the full data advantage. Next, users often skip account integration. ClearStreet connects to trading systems and portfolio tools. Without this, your performance data stays incomplete. Another big mistake? Not understanding clearing and settlement times. Unlike retail apps, ClearStreet handles institutional-level trades. If you don't plan for settlement windows, your cash flow can get stuck temporarily. Pro tip: monitor your portfolio exposure tab. It highlights leverage, sector concentration, and counterparty risk insights even advanced traders overlook. And here's the surprising truth: ClearStreet isn't just another brokerage. It's designed to give you transparency and efficiency in an industry that's often opaque. Used properly, ClearStreet can elevate your trading game, giving you the precision, data, and confidence you need to trade like a professional.